So I was talking to Edmund, who works in Hyundai, and he just told me about a feature on Inster, which I thought was kind of cool. So on paddle shifting, right? So say you've got a paddle shifter on Inster. Now I have another video for paddle shifters and how they work if you want. But if you're a little bit more advanced on it, and you don't have to be, I can show you now. But along here, you'll see there's the rate of regen braking on the car. So if you're unfamiliar with regen braking, it's where the motor is going to slow the car down rather than the brakes. So you see here, I'm using this paddle here, and you can see while I do that, the rate is changing down here, where it's moving along a scale. So like we're saying, I can make it very sensitive, or I can make it not very sensitive. So when it's not very sensitive, the car will just freewheel, or when it's very sensitive, the car will almost pretty much comes to a stop. Right, that's not what the video is about. The video is about the auto function. So with the auto function here, right, so like we were saying, we have the different scales. I can bring them up, or I can bring them down. But on this one, if I go back here, keep tapping it back, I'm all the way back, and now I'm going to hold it. And you can see on the screen, something called auto will now be available. So what it's doing is, rather than deciding how much regenerative braking you want, the car's automatically deciding. So look, when I drive along, right, I'm coming up to some cars, and you see the way it's kind of moved back. It's changing itself as I drive. So now there's no obstructions in front of me. I know this is terrible camera work. And now it's gone to the max. So it's not really inhibiting my driving right now because it doesn't see any objects. But I would imagine as I start driving up towards some cars here, let's see, I'm going to go down to the end where I was again. So it's going to know that there's a corner coming up. So let's see, can I give you a bit of a bird's eye view here? So yeah, and now it's after swinging down because there's some objects in the way, and it's judging that it needs to kind of interfere. Now that's not the interesting part. Here's the interesting part, right? Let's say I don't use the brake pedal. So I'm not going to use the brake pedal, and say I was in traffic. Let's say I'm going to just go dead straight to this car here. I'm not using the brake pedal. Auto is on. Car's brought me to a halt. So when you let off, it's basically bringing you to a stop, but it's judging it based on the car in front. Because let's say, because some people might say, oh, well, that's just one pedal driving. It's not. If I let off the pedal here, it doesn't see anything in front of me, so it doesn't see a need to stop. So let's see what happens when it gets down to the end. So again, I'm not touching the brake pedal. I'm not doing anything, and the car's brought me to a halt. That is super cool. So to engage it, like we were saying, over here, I'm using this paddle here. So you see, it's on levels at the moment. So using this, I can go level 1, 2, 3. I can go, level 3, 2, 1. I can go level 1, 2, 3. So that's fine, it's stuck on level, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hold it, 1, 2, and it's gone onto auto. And now that means going forward, it's going to automatically judge what the correct amount of regeneration necessary is, the correct amount of regeneration is needed. But also when I'm driving in traffic, I just need an accelerator now. Oops, forwards. So in traffic, it just means that I can use kind of like a one pedal drive, but it's a less annoying one pedal drive. One thing I don't like about one pedal driving, you let off, it comes to a halt. You go, you let off, it comes to a halt. This is more intelligent. This is literally, I'll come to a stop when I got an object that's slowed down in front of me. But if I got a clear road, I'm just going to keep going. That's what I want, because I hate biting the one pedal driving. So if you've got Inster or anything like that, there you go, it's come to a halt now because it slowed me down for the corner. I didn't even touch the brake pedal. That's a super cool feature. So that's automatic regenerative braking with a stop function. So hopefully it's useful for somebody. Thanks for watching.